Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mr A.M channel. So please, if this is the first time coming to this channel, I would like you to subscribe. So let's see what we have on the whiteboard. 8 minus 8 times 8 minus 8. Answer is not 0. So what came in your mind first when you heard such a question like this, and then you heard a comment that answer is not the given answer? So let's see how most of the students get the answer 0. They first start here, 8 minus 8, which is 0, right? Then we put times, and then 8 minus 8 also is 0. So this is 0 because 8 times 8 is the same as 0, but this answer is not correct. So how are we going to get the correct answer? So we have to apply the rule BODMAS. So we have here BODMAS. B here is equivalent or represent bracket. And here we have O, which is of. Then we have D, which is division. M is multiplication. A is addition. And we have S is subtraction. So this is BODMAS rule. So let's apply this rule direct. So let's rewrite the question first. So we have 8 minus 8 times 8 minus 8. So the first thing we need to do here is to see the first letter. The first letter here is bracket. We don't have anything like bracket. So we come for the second letter of. We don't have nothing like that. Here we have division. We have no division. Then we have here a multiplication. So we have to first deal with multiplication. So here we have write 8 as it is. Then we have here to put minus at his. Here we have multiplication sign. 8 times 8, which is 64. Therefore, we put here negative, right? So we have here positive, and this is negative. Positive and negative, they will cancel themselves. So the answer here equal to negative 64. So this is the correct answer as well. Please always follow BODMAS so you have to master it. Thank you for watching.